In this video, I'm going to share with you the best way to make money online as a broke beginner. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video and the strategy I'm going to share with you in this video is something that I did because I was in your same position about a few years ago when I first got started online. So even though I had a full-time job, it was times that my bank account hit zero a few times. And then also I was just wasting a lot of money because I was trying so many different things trying to get started, to where it got to the point that if I don't find something that had like a low investment or didn't cost me any money, it was going to be a really hard time for me to actually kind of continue along with this. So one of my mentors at the time, he told me this strategy about affiliate marketing. And there's a variety of ways that you can do affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's simply where we actually promote other people's products and we earn commissions. That's what we do. And with this particular strategy that I want to share with you, it's how I got started with affiliate marketing. It's how I got started with how I made my first $1,500 online with this strategy, and it didn't cost me any money whatsoever. So I'm going to share with you what that strategy is, and you can start as early as this week to go ahead and get things set up. And if you stick with this strategy, you can see results with it. There's a lot of people who are still doing it to this day. I still even do it on my channel as well. And I promise you, it's just one of those methods that just really works and is very simple to do. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how you can earn income from home. Now, those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video and hit that subscribe button so you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's dive into the content and let me show you in this tutorial step by step how you can do this strategy. So the strategy that I want to cover with you in this video is called launch jacking. Now, this is exactly what I got started with, and this is how I made my first money online with affiliate marketing. And people still do this to this day, and they are highly successful, earning thousands of dollars every single month simply by following this method. Now, with launch jacking, what it is basically what we're going to do as affiliates. We're going to look for upcoming launches that are happening in the make money online, the affiliate marketing space. And when these launches happen, what a lot of affiliates do is they become an affiliate for those upcoming launches. And then the next thing they're going to do is they're going to email their email list. They're going to reach out to their audiences on social media and let all of them know about a upcoming launch. So it's going to be tons of eyeballs looking at these upcoming launches. Now, what we're going to do with this strategy with launch jacking is we're going to leverage all of that traffic that's going to be on YouTube trying to find out more information about these launches. So what we want to do is we want to create review videos about these upcoming launches that are coming up. So that way, when somebody wants to know more about the launch or about a particular product, they're going to go to YouTube, and we want our videos to be there so that way they can get additional information. Now, the reason why this is so powerful is because, understand, even with YouTube, people always visit YouTube to get some type of review of anything they want to know more about before they purchase. So I don't care if it's a high-end car, if it's a Lamborghini, a Tesla, clothing from maybe Fashion Nova, whatever it is, people are going to come over to YouTube to find reviews of other people giving their opinions or their experiences with a particular product or something like that before they make a purchase. Right? So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to create the review videos, and if somebody goes through our link through our review video, we can earn a commission if they decide to purchase. So what I'm going to show you in this video is what networks you need to join, how to find these upcoming launches, how to get your affiliate link. You can also offer bonuses. This is optional. Then also you need to do a review video and upload, and then you want to syndicate. Now make sure you stay to the end of this video because, one, you don't want to miss any steps, but then also I'm going to share with you how you can get all this information in one spot so that way you can dive more into this and you can actually start to earn commissions with launch jacking. So in this particular case, what we're going to do is we need to apply for 2 affiliate networks. Both of these networks are free, but you just want to go ahead and create your free accounts. So the first one is jvzoo.com, and then the next one is warriorplus.com. This is where you want to create accounts because when we start to find these launches, a lot of them, the actual products can be found on these 2 affiliate networks. So make sure you apply. Again, it's free to join. Go ahead and get signed up, verify your accounts. And then the next thing that you want to do is we need to find launches to promote. So now we're looking at this website. It's called muncheye.com. And yes, it is a weird name. But on this particular site is one of the few websites out here that will let you know about any upcoming launches that are coming up in the affiliate marketing, internet marketing, make money online space. So we can see they have it separated here where you have the big launches and then you have all the launches that are being released. So what you want to do is you want to always come to this particular calendar and you want to pick out some launches to do. Now, if this is the first time that you're ever doing this particular strategy, you want to apply for as many products or launches that are about to happen. And the reason why you want to do this is because in most cases, sometimes the vendor or the seller of the product, they since you're brand new and you don't have any sales history, they may not approve you right away. So you want to go ahead and apply for as many of these as possible, because some of them you're not going to get right away. Some of them you won't get approved to right away, and some of them you will. But I'm also going to show you a little a workaround with that in a little part later in the video. But what we want to do here, again, we want to find some products that that are about to launch that we want to apply for. So one of the big launches here is Luke McGuire Profile Mate. And what you want to do is actually when you come over here, you want to find launches that are 7 days out, because that gives you time to go through everything that I'm sharing with you in this video and gives you enough time to prepare. But I'm just sharing with you all this one right now because I know this is a big launch. And anytime Luke McGuire does a big launch, it gets you can make a lot of sales because a lot of people buy his products pretty much, right? So if we click on this particular link for it, we're going to get a lot of information here. So we're going to get the date that the product is going to launch. They also have additional information here about the launch. And then if we click on this link here, this is the JV page. So we click on the JV page. And on this page, they're going to give us all the information that we need to know in order to promote this product more effectively. And they're going to give you everything that you need, because the more the affiliates make sales, the more money they make too, right? So they're going to give you everything that you need. So you'll come over here, they'll let you know more about what the product is. This is where you can click on the affiliate link. You want to submit your email address here so you can just get the notifications about the product. Also, like if they do like a leaderboard or something like that, you'll get those updates sent to your email. But they'll give you like the full product breakdown of what people can expect in this launch. And they'll just give you all like the JV contest. So that this is another way that you can earn free money, is if you when you promote some of these offers, they come with contests. So this is just another way that you can earn some additional money with these launches. And you're just going to get a lot of information here, right? So you always want to check out that page. And then you want to click on here, and this is where you're going to get your affiliate link. So that's why I told you guys that you want to get you want to sign up for JVZoo and Warrior Plus, because this particular product is going to be on JVZoo. So let's go ahead and click on this link here, and then it will bring us to this page here inside of JVZoo. So this is where we want to actually apply to get our affiliate links. You can also click on this button here and it'll take you to the sales page. So you can kind of see the page that when you are promoting your affiliate link, the page that the people who actually click on your link, what they will actually see and what they will actually learn about the product. Now, you want to make sure you read any notes they have here from the actual vendor. And then in this message box right here, this is where you want to apply for your affiliate link. So if you're brand new to this particular strategy of affiliate marketing, what you want to do here is you want to let the vendor know that you have very little sales, that you're going through a course or something like that that's teaching you how to promote affiliate offers on JVZoo, not JVZoo, how to promote affiliate offers on YouTube and things like that. And then to take it a step further, what you could do is you can create a short YouTube video. You could use your phone or something like that and make a 1-minute message to the vendor saying like, hey, Luke, I'm going through a course right now. I am learning more about the launch jacking strategy. I would love to promote your product using YouTube. Here are my social media. You want to include your social media links in the message here. But you want to let them know that you're a real person. If you give them your social media links, they know they can go check you out on Facebook to see that you're an actual person, that you're not a bot or something like that. And then also the fact that you was able to just take it a step further to let them know that you're serious about promoting their products, it will actually give you a little bit more of an edge to getting your your link approved, so that way you can get that link to start promoting. So you want to make sure that you do that, and it's the same thing with Warrior Plus. You can do the same strategy there. Now the next step is optional, right? So you can offer bonuses, so that way when you are promoting this particular offer, you have some things that you can help to sweeten the deal, so to speak, so that somebody can actually purchase through your link. So just remember how I said earlier, there are going to be hundreds and thousands of other affiliates promoting the same offer. So what you need to do is you need to create a bonus package that'll help you stand out from the crowd and actually get people to actually purchase through your link. Now this is optional, you don't have to do it, but this is just a great way for people to actually click on your link and purchase. So one of the websites you can go to is called idplr.com, and they have a lot of information over here where you can get like ebooks, videos, software, graphic packs, everything else. And you could come over here, you could purchase these for, you know, just a few bucks, and you can include these as bonuses. Another way that you can generate bonuses is by doing some research on YouTube and compiling a few videos on YouTube that are relatable to the actual product that you're providing to people. And you could do that as well. You can also create your own content. So if you know something about, like this is about Profile Mate, right? So this is about Instagram. So if you know something about Instagram, or you know how to get sales with Instagram, you can just create a short 5 to 10 minute training and offer that as a bonus as well. Bonuses can come in many forms, but one of the popular ways is just getting to a site like this, idplr.com, and finding some bonuses and putting things together. And like I said, this is for an Instagram product. So what I would do is come over here and find out information about Instagram or something like that, or how to make money with Instagram. And I'll actually purchase that particular offer over here and add it as a bonus. Now the next thing that we want to do is we want to do a review video and upload. So when you do your review video, and this is something that you can also do once you get your affiliate link and you have been approved, what you want to do is you want to come over here to the JV page that we found on Munchai, right? And if you scroll down, they'll tell you the contact people that you can reach out to for the contest. I mean, not the contest, for the actual launch. So that would be Luke McGuire and Simon Harry's here. So if you want to get access to a review copy, so that way you can show people inside of your review video what the product looks like, what people can actually expect if they actually purchase the product through you, what you need to do is you need to send a message to either one of these guys on Facebook. And most JVs, most big launches have JV pages, and they have contact information under there. And you just want to reach out to see if you can get access to a review copy so you can do a review video. Now, if they do not give you a review copy, that's fine. What I did when I first got started, they weren't even giving out review copies when I first got started. I had to, one, if it's a low cost product, I actually bought the product, right, and did my review from that. Or you can just go to the sales page for the actual product. And again, if you come in here to JVZoo, where you can actually apply for your affiliate link, again, if you click on this blue button here, you can go to the sales page and you can actually just do your review video based on the sales page, but just give a summary. And in that video, what you want to do is you want to let people know what the product is, what problems it solves, the benefits, the features of it, right? And this is what I do in this video here. This is a review for the income formula. And this is what I did here. I was able to get access to the actual product, and I gave just a brief overview of what people could expect once they purchase this product. Now, if this is something that they were interested in, I would tell them in my video, come to the link down here in the description below the video and click on this link to get the income formula plus my bonuses. So we clicked on this link here, it'll bring them here to my bonus page, okay? Now, if you're not going to offer bonuses, you don't necessarily need this page. You can send people directly to the offer and just include your affiliate link in the description below your review video. But for me, I like to offer bonuses. So in this bonus page, I just gave the same review that you can find on YouTube. And then I just give some information about what it is. I let people know if they buy this first product here, what the additional products in that sales funnel is going to cost. I give them information about each additional product they're going to find in that sales funnel, and then I offer my bonuses. So I found some, like I went through for this one right here, I said it's my Cliff Notes for the income formula. So what I did was is I went through the actual product, and I kind of basically did like Clips Notes, like, or a summary of each module, and I gave that away as a bonus. And then I gave away my launch jacking course, and then also my affiliate marketing bundle. It's like, so I have trainings and free stuff that I can give away. So that's what I did here. I gave away stuff that I had on my own or that I created, and I gave that away. And then I also included a link here. So if they clicked on this link here, it will take them to the actual page for the product, and that's where they can actually purchase it. So that's what we're going to do here. That's the initial steps. And then the last thing that you want to do is you want to syndicate the video. So once you have done your review video and you have uploaded it to YouTube, you want to do some light syndication. And what I mean by light syndication is you want to share that video in multiple places. So you want to share that video on Pinterest. You want to share that video in Facebook groups. For me, I share all my YouTube videos inside of my Facebook group. So you have a Facebook group, show it on your Facebook group. If you're marketing from your Facebook profile, do the same there. If you're using Instagram, share the video on Instagram. You want to do these things so that way you can get more eyeballs onto your review video. And that in itself is launch jacking. Now, if you want to know more about launch jacking and exactly how I do it, and again, I still do launch jacking to this day, underneath this video in the description below, I'm going to include a link where you can learn about launch jacking, the launch jacking strategy, and you'll learn it directly from me. And I show with you step by step how to find products, the actual video that you should use in order to get approved for affiliate links, so that way you can promote those things. I'll show you how you can get access to review copies for your videos. Everything that you need to do inside of this launch jacking strategy, I will share with you. So underneath this video in the description below, go ahead and click on that link and learn more about this strategy about launch jacking. It's a low-cost product, and if you stick to this, you can start seeing results with this particular product. Now, just like how I mentioned in my last video, if you go with this strategy, make sure you give it a minimum of 90 days. That's 3 months, guys. Because the reason why you want to do that is because everything comes with a learning curve. You have to learn how to set things up. You have to learn how to, create the review videos. And everything is going to be a little bit slower in the beginning because you're learning. But once you have done it a few times, the faster you can get through this process, the faster you can actually put out more content for review videos, and that's when you're going to start seeing more commissions. And then you're also going to start gaining momentum, and then you're also building a brand for yourself because more people are going to see your video content out there. So again, with this strategy or any strategy that I ever talk about on this channel, you want to give something at least 90 days. That's only 3 months. That's 12 weeks. That's not bad at all. So in this video, I share with you how you can start making money online as a broke beginner. And again, this strategy is called launch jacking. This is what people still do to this day. A lot of people are actually using this strategy to make their first money online. This is another great way for you to actually build a brand online, because now people are actually seeing your videos, they're seeing your content on YouTube. So you're building a brand, they're getting familiar with you, and the more videos you do, the more people get familiar with you, and they'll actually start to buy more products from you in the long run. So if you have any questions about anything that I discussed in this video, leave a comment below. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.